Call center interview, questions and answers, no experience. Hi, I'm Nicole Naku and I've been a call center agent for more than 10 years now, and I also have a YouTube channel with 66,000 subscribers. And kung gusto mo maging isang call center agent subalit nahihirapan kang mag-English, well, I have a one-on-one call center training for 3 days with me for only just 100 pesos. But this is just a 1-day promo sale only. So if you want to join this training, just message me the numbers 100 so we can schedule and start your training. Once again, you need to hurry because this is just a 1-day promo sale only. There's gonna be a link on my Facebook page on the description box below, or if you're watching this already on Facebook, just message me the number 100. Let's start. So this is going to be an in-depth video answering one question because I'm going to make a playlist series. And today in this video, I'm gonna answer one of the most common questions in a call center, and that would be, tell me something about yourself. Now, before we answer that question, let me give you the basic ideas you need to know before answering this question, even if you have no work experience whatsoever. And that is to, number one, never ever say anything bad about yourself. But what you need to do instead is you need to sell yourself to the interviewer. Also, you just need to use a simple English words only. You don't need to use those big advanced English words because the key here is English fluency. So fluency means flow, which is continuous or tuloy-tuloy dapat yung English mo. Dapat hindi putol-putol. And kayang-kaya mo yan just using simple English words, and as much as you can, don't answer Tagalog, Ilonggo, Bisaya, use English only. Alright? And also, if you have no work experience, you can use your favorite hobby, plus you need to use a positive energy. And lastly, always end your answer with "that is all," so that the interviewer will know that you are finished. Let me give you my example answer, and then later on I'll give you my example answer format even if you have no work experience. And this is my simple answer. Hi, good morning, sir. My name is Nicole Naku and I am from Hinubaan, Negros Occidental. I took up Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics from Silliman University, Dumaguete City. I am very coachable, I'm a fast learner, and I'm very eager to learn new things. And I'm willing to do whatever it takes to get this call center agent job. And my favorite hobby is watching English movies. That is all. So guys, take note, your answer should not be very long, but your answer should not be very short as well, to the point na wala nang point yung sagot nyo. Alright, so there's just gonna be a balance. Now I'm gonna give you my example format on how you can use this to answer and pass this question even if you have no work experience. So first, start with your name, and then where are you from? Also very important, what is your highest educational attainment, and which school are you from? Now, since you have no work experience, this is very important. You need to highlight these words, plus you need to include your positive energy, or at least the energy that shows you really want to have this job. Okay, so you can use this phrase or this group of words. You can say, I am very coachable, I am a fast learner, and I'm willing to do whatever it takes to be a call center agent. And then you can add what is your favorite hobby, and you can end your answer with that is all. So once again guys, kung gusto mo maging isang call center agent subalit nahihirapan ka mag-English, once again guys, I have a one-on-one call center agent training with me for 3 days for only just 100 pesos only. But this is just a 1-day promo sale, so just message me the number 100, my Facebook page, link down in the description box below, or if you're watching on Facebook, message me directly so we can start to schedule your training and for you to start to get your dream job.